Kublai P Baro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakong san mentaka sngi kilong. Sam tiar yada ke DDMA ha ki shispa nyoku prangot ki volunteer abda mitra hanongpo. Kerpat ke hitu ya ke MEPDCL ban khot auction thmai ya ki tiar bamlar kam show. Kernga kilong komedi madan ban shimti basa thmai ban hun ke HYC ya Professor Barik Banlong Acting VC ke NEHU. Bat mentang ini apa sih Khubor ke bakambanya. Khubor bapanya ya ke District Disaster Management Authority DDMA ribhoi. Hakalai pau tarik Naitung kila sam tiar yada emergency kit haki shispa ahnya prangut ki abda mitra volunteers ki paralok haki por badan kam ban yarab ikipad pa haki Shillong ki thau habaki kensan Khubor kamaryang. Da kini ki tiar yada kini ki volunteer kin ai jingada marmar ki bapang basitom bat ki bamensau hakapor bakhi Khubor maryang kom ujumai ke eryong ke jingshlei bat ki wei ki jingja ki babu ya ki pat ba ha ka jingma ya kini ki tiar yada lasam ha ka jingelang pat ba bala penlong ha district library nongpo baladon lang uba Mirror Bonds MLA ka kong bala kenti rani ADC uba J Mautho district disaster management officer DDMO bad uba BK Swear deputy controller civil defense nongpo
personal and other official from district administration, the Asha Angawadis. These are the people who are really at the ground, who respond during those hard times that as a citizen that we have been through. For COVID, kibadan Hamadan, ki police uniform, ki trade, health department, ki Asha, Anganwadi, ki Home Guard, civil defense, Rangvashnong, civil society, they are on the ground to ensure that medical supply will reach to those people who really need, to ensure that food supply will reach to those people who really don't have anything at home. These are collective effort to each and every one of us as a responsibility to respond to this kind of challenges that we encounter. Now today we are here on this very program where this kit will be distributed to all of you so that we can position ourselves whenever it is needed that we have to respond. We are there at the very first hour of what is happening at the ground. Just in the morning of the 21st of July, all of us will remember on the 28th there's a final football, World Cup final football. Heavy rain during that night. In the early morning of the 21st, I cannot imagine that Umling village, here, very near to us, it is flooded like anything. 2-3 locality within Umling village, the water level reached till here, their vehicles submerged, house submerged, all documents damaged, school certificate, books, shoes, uniform, nothing left. Nobody could imagine, even the local resident of Umling, they told me we have never experienced such kind of flood in our life. It is the first time. So what is our duty? How do we respond? In the middle of the night or 3-4 o'clock in the morning? Suddenly happened. There is no place to escape. So this kind of effort that has been imparted upon the citizen, the SDMA, the DDMA within the state and the district are there to impart training to each and every one of you as volunteers who are present here today to ensure all citizens.
Ki noyalam kahnyotrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito hakalai pau tarik Naitung kila kerpa di Khubor ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL ban penmi thama ya ka auction notice da ka offline knang ba kinong khayi na kani ka Jylla kinla ban shimbanta ha kani ka jingli lam mi ki tiar kitar ki kor ki bor jong kani ka office ki bamlar kam shu kila kado ba ka jing penbena ka Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited MEPDCL da ka short tender e-auction notice ha ka arpu ar tarik Naitung kala khangla di kinong khayi na ka Jylla ban shimbanta ha kani ka yoli lam tiar ya kani ka jing kerpa cheki bor ka MEPDCL la soy da uba donbosco Dakar President baru Gary Merbo Political Secretary
Sengito Central Body ada jingnya dan lang ke Shillong City nilawan bu ya kani ka dorkas halor ka bangi dawa ban pembet bat bangi persya ya ka jingle syutia jong kani ka sarkar NDA tu boleh ni ong bagale syutia namar hadin bangi ya kani ka shorty tender notice ka ba hakatarik tarik Julai arajang Rio kenang bagi pat kin sutu ba kai ka ta ka hito kali jor ka dawa ban niu kani yang su patai bi kadai kata bangi bu ya kani ka representation habi dai ya kani ka bakin le be kata ka offline auction yung ka MEPDCL yung ka MSTC ka Bomot Metal Scrap Trade Corporation Limited deknang bangi sa susu nomor boro iskata kumbangin ya keren kini ki kontraktor kantam kini ki bayar kini ki paradok parasnam kisah le be kata ka offline Henry minta ka jingle ka sarkar pat ka link bat ka MSTC claim da don kita ki circular ki notification Henry ka datang ka jing yo communicate tang ka kita ki burekat ki bomtip bahaya kata ka historical background jong ka combat khndo jungi ya kata ka hok ka jungi ya kata ka jing yo bahak jungi ya kata ka sexual te ni dawa hangni ba day ban penlong be ka offline but day ban penduk ya ka online but dia ka tu ko clause A 3 ka ba ong hang ni la da pendat ni tap ya ka tender kidon kam ya kata ka trading license napo Meghalaya claim shim specific haba kamar ka day napo ka jingpet jong ka jurisdiction jong ka khasi hills autonomous district council dan rela ong ba ya trading license la ban shim na baro ka kilai tili autonomous district council khasi jentia bat daro ka balai ni haban persya nomor baki pan ya kata ka NOC napo kata ka district council kepada napo Meghalaya balai dangshan te ik baja la te pipet ka jingkren lingba ha ka session ka JHDC UCM jong ka jante hills autonomous district council ha ka jing yalam ha Khubor dan ka parti MPP buong kumna ha ka jing penbor jong ka sarkar Jylla ni haban NOC ya sirisimen kata kala bu jing malu pa tong nging nget kumba kendai pu persen na po ke HDC kenumyo ya kita license Henry nim shania pat ya ka JHDC pat ya ka GHDC ya kini nomor ba ke sarkar nomor ba kidon ha Khubor kidon ha parti la jong kila ban penbor bat kan penduru ya ka tendar jong kini ki try muluk ki badai ya ka bahak jong kata te ndai tang kata bali ban happen centralized lut je kita kimar jong ka state habal kadai ka kamar jong ka MEPDCL ta bali ba mentangin dala auction yo tau scrap la haban jeling ba kata ka MSTC je kata ka badang hapo ka ministry jong ka mines nang tay na po sarkar padang te ladingi ay lat kani kandai ka
Khubor ka Shillong Municipal Board SMB haga janmi lai phau tarik Naitung kila penyeng syriak ke kinong trei jangka hasilenter ka lentiyat kejat hagi than jail road banom aila de kilong kemi di madan ban priang ya kimar ki mata jongki penban haba kini kilong kemi kilawan ban sedang ya kayo kahat kila priang ya kimar ki mata Khuborjylla wala dala betha ya ki ban sedang di jingdi no hakayo bethamai balapan kre ka sarkar kini kilong kemi kila kerenga bat kentat ban bot ya kata ka jing betha bat kila beteng ya kadi ka thiet Khuborjylla baro shikata
हाँ बीबी को कितना ज़्यादा दिया abang dah buat nak dia ha abang lo nak pergi bala men nang pan gitu ya
Ka Education Cell Neutral Youth Council HYC haka jingalam uba enlang sawian haka laipo tarik Naitung arhajar arpunriu kala ai da kajingtho hau acting vice chancellor ka school ba North Eastern Hill University Professor Saroj Kanta Barik ban kentuyu u ban IT no ya kashuki vice chancellor show Professor R Kongsder ubala kham tam kisnem trekam haka ni ka school ba Halor kani ka phang ka Ministry of Education jaka Sarkar India kalapan bana haka arpuh nyau tarik. Balathong ya u Professor Saroj Kanta Barik kum u Acting Vice Chancellor Khubor Haskul ba NEHU.
Kata nakaliang jangka Neutral Youth Council Education Cell CC kita kasih adian bagi limbat nak buat nakaliang jangka Samla limbat Mr. Baru Khubor bila nilai yo akan buat dekat setua office jam gubernur kalau layo ro punya ketua gubernur dan base ya ka kau ini isu ke bayi day batka kita next university day batka contoh ya I think isi hanya buat ke sekolah bani ya lor ni kurang pada yang juga education cell taksi bila one office jadi isi pan yo akan ketua berdiri miliar kita mungkin kami ya karena sekolah Kolkata pemerintah itu pasti mungkin. Kalian juga senggila konkret itu kuat. Jadi dan bu baru fokus community beliau punya grammar kuat. Baik kalau nak kada bu apa ni harus pokok kata kalian senggila thai di menteri ini staff mungkin ai ka appointment buat seng itu markat itu masih mungkin. Jadi buat kini isu bah ini bukan jentung itu kemudian bisi bisi jadi mereka sekolah bani. Mabang sutua ba kumbrada kreng kaseng do menen office gubernur kumbrada petiswa ba jentung uni kalam kebebean jadi ni kok labna kemudian du proses afloa kepala follow akum di katkum ke universiti ya jadi berkejutung ya isi nomor ba katkum ko appointment letter jadi reflect ba uni di second second musia professor box kuba itu ke bapi ba dan kiway ki professor bahaswa julu di belong si katkom kejutet na pasang dia jite bau dan ni professor S professor di badai senior most professor pada department anthropology ini dia belong capable but cinti ini kam no capable susi kalau ba kalian jangka university kamsun na polo university ada di statutory provision jadi perlu recommend atau senior most professor long they were chatting I think see me for school ba naglen kasang la school ni ba kini ko kata sini but lada kumka university mo kumka work niya di university kim swap ya jindawa kasang kolong ba they ben replace mador they ben wengno but they ben wengno mador yung professor Saroj Kanta Barik uba simcha school visi hanya fokus berbani hu but they ben thungno dan they ben replace lo hata jaka jungu no dari professor R state di senior most professor hanya fokus university but lada kajindawa jong kaseng kaporlang nakaliang jong ka education cell kaseng hi berkowe jong HUC sempat sinjam pitikna ba ini professor Saroj kata Barik di ben herno ala di ben atino wah ya kita sudah bisa senior most professor kembali dan batai di perbuat persen ini dan sepet kayak respon juga universiti.
Dan kipor bakador ki marep ka hiarbha Henry hadin kat tu kat nipor ka kiubiang. Kani ka jingkiw bat jinghiar ka jujiaman kapor. Kumta ka sorkar ka hapan perkhat yaki wei ki policy ban yada yaki no rep na kum kini ki jing e hakis number 1 laong ushira. Habakali halor ka jingdawa ban bu support price na kabanta baro ki marep u menteri ulaong ba kani kamlong kabala ban le namarkan ketajur ya ka pisa ka sorkar. Lada ka sorkar ka haban ai support price ya baro ki marep kan long ka jinglut ka bakraw e. Henry nginwad ki weipat ki lat jingarap. Kaway na kita kalong bantay yaki cold storage. Lada ka dor ki jhur ka hyar ki norep ki la ban bu yaki mar ha cold storage badde enda ka dor ka kiubiang ulaong. Ushira ulaong ru ba ka sorkar kadang penklan ya ka jingte yaki processing unit ban penduna ya ka jingdan benta jong ki middleman. Lada don ki cold storage bat processing unit ki middleman kinomla shu ban bu ya ka dor kat ba ki mon. Shim nuksa ya ushenrai lakadong. Hadin balapli yaki spice processing unit haboy rembong bat hari jantia kador ushenrai kalakiw bha ulaong. Menteri ulaong ba ki cooperative society ki bapenya yakini ki processing unit ki bu yakador ka bakam bha na kabenta ki nongrep bat ki nongrep ki la ban one day bet yala ki mar klem jinya lengba ki middleman. Shu ula pentip ba katanat kan bishar ya kajingdan kam ban shna shu ya ki cold storage bat processing unit ban penduna ya kajing julor ki marap hadin baladep lum na ki lengkha.
Yeah, it will be held most probably in the old site because the committee and many members of the Vangal committee, they are of the opinion that if it is shifted to another place, it will lose its originality. And it will affect the sentiment. So, Vanagala festival will be held in the old site, but we are very much worried about the size of the ground, whether it will be possible to accommodate so much of crowd or not. Now the committee, a small committee to look after all this will be formed. The chairman will be the deputy commissioner of the district, West Garo Hills, and they will form the committee and look into this matter. And the Chibaragri, that is the second old place now. That means that is the place where every year the Vangala festival is taking place. So Asanangto, there is no place at all. But at Chibaragri, we have improved the place. 1,000 drum. Yeah, we are trying to organize the 1,000 drum. So now, in place of 100, say 100 drums plus dancers are there, 100, 200. So 1,000 drums means 2,000 plus the musician, others will be there, say around 2,500 dancers will be there. Yeah, we are trying to put it in the record, in the Genesis book, 1,000 drums.
Bat na kitu ki Khubor nglapoy siya kabakot tarhadu bagindaya siyang biang kublay shibon.